Good morning, class. I am before you to take your social science class. This topic, Vienna Congress 1815. This topic is important both for class 9 and 10 because it is in your syllabus. So I think from this video both classes 9 and 10 will take benefit. Okay, Vienna Congress of 1815. After the defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, Vienna Congress was convened, organized. This Congress was organized in Vienna, the capital of Austria. That is why its name is Vienna Congress. Vienna Congress was the Congress of Chancellor Metternich, Austria's Chancellor Metternich. He was the burning personality of the Congress. Whatever the decision was taken was the decision of the Chancellor Metternich. You all know, and if you don't know, you must know that Napoleon in the Battle of Waterloo had been defeated by Britain, Russia, Austria and Prussia. Britain, Russia, Austria and Prussia. These four important powerful countries of the world had played very important role, very crucial role in defeating Napoleon Bonaparte. After the disappearance of the fear of Napoleon Bonaparte, they were very happy, they were full of great enthusiasm, with great zeal, and under this situation, the Vienna Congress was organized. The Congress was organized in Vienna, the capital of Austria. It was the success, it shows the success of Metternich, Count Metternich. One more thing that I want to tell relating to this Congress, that this Congress was the supporter and follower of conservatism, because the chairperson himself, Metternich, was the blind supporter of monarchical system of administration. So relating to the re-establishment of Bourbon dynasty in France, decision was taken, and as a result of Vienna Congress, once again Bourbon dynasty was on the throne to control France, and Count Metternich, he used to say that whatever happens in France, that affects the whole of Europe. The effect of any happenings that occurred in France is to affect the whole of Europe. So there must be such arrangement. We have to frame, or we have to take a decision relating to this very fact, that our arrangement should be done in such manner that France should be kept under complete control, and this country will never take any aggressive step as Napoleon had done in the last quarter of 18th century and the beginning of 19th century. So Vienna Congress, their efforts was to create a strong boundary of strong nations from all sides. Belgium was assimilated with Netherlands on the northern front of France to control any activity from France that will affect the rest of European nations. Genoa was included with Piedmont, and a strong boundary on the southern front was framed and created. Prussia was given western portion of France was brought under the control of Prussia. Prussia was, you all know, Germany means. Prussia was the Germany. Northern Italy to Austria. Northern part of Italy that had been invaded and defeated and brought under, that had been finally conquered by Napoleon Bonaparte, was once again came under the control of Austria. So such was the arrangement, and many more things. Many important decisions relating to economy, relating to politics was taken, but the most important efforts of the victors, Britain, Russia, Austria and Prussia, was to restrict any future invading activity to European nations from the side of France. This was the main target, this was the main object before the victors, because actually Napoleon Bonaparte had completely created such fear in the mind of all those persons that had compelled them to take such decision in Vienna Congress. I think relating to the decision that was taken in Vienna Congress was related to economic, politics, social, cultural, military, but the most important efforts, most important achievement that Vienna Congress obtained was the formation of a strong boundary around France. I think in this short video, will provide you clear-cut idea about the Vienna Congress, for what purpose it was organized and what important decisions were taken. So I want to conclude this topic with this suggestion that please also consult book. This is a very long topic and very vast topic. Many more things are there, and in short I have tried to give you clear cut and sufficient information to you. Okay, thanks.